Welcome back to another episode of Flying Brian's Garage. Or, welcome to an episode. Last night I was out here working on the town car again. I'm actually getting it ready for the car show up in town, but I haven't got this video out yet. It won't come out till closer to the 21st of October. But last night I got some lighting done in the shop. It is not perfect. I got lamps hanging from the ceiling and shit, but I mean, it is so much brighter than it was. Y'all actually be able to see that tonight. I can see, and it is awesome. But let's get to the actual topic of the video. Today's video is going to be a little different. And I'm going to start off by saying I got a little shed. And I'm going to be moving it down here so I can store my parts and all that stuff. Yesterday I came out here and I caught 3 teenagers poking around in my backyard. I don't know if they were fans of the channel, which I doubt they were. And even if they were, I can guarantee you by the time I got done with them, they ain't no more. I don't want nobody poking around in my backyard. I've got no trespassing signs up everywhere. Ain't no business. Ain't nobody got no business back here. Unless I've invited you, do not come. If you know where I live, great. Keep it to yourself. Don't come. I prefer people, you know, you need to say something before you show up somewhere. That's just how it is. It's common courtesy. I've always done it. Even if people tell me, oh, you can just pop into my house, I don't do it. You let folks know before you come. You ask permission for things. And the only thing that I could think of was they were back here scoping out my place to steal some shit. Probably had seen me before out there on the road with the tractors and saw where I went, and they wanted to come up here and check it out for themselves. Well, I guarantee you, if I do catch you up here, it's not going to be good for you. But if you want to come see what's going on, just send me a message or, you know, contact me somehow. Hell, even come up, knock on the door, be like, hey, I'd respect that much more. So I can tell you right now, I doubt they were back here just checking everything out, or as they said, cutting through. Well, there ain't no cut through here. There ain't no sidewalks. There ain't no signs that say here's the cut through. Just don't do it. Respect people's property like you would want people to respect yours. There's just not enough common courtesy in the world anymore, and that's a problem. You let people run all over you, and they will. You got to stand your ground. So, with that being said, I hope I ran them off, but I don't know. I can't trust that. They could be scoping the place to come back, so I'm getting ready for cameras, and I'm getting ready to lock up a good bit of my shit. So, I'm going to go ahead and get up here and show y'all what we're working with on the shed. Alright, here's my new little shed, which is not big, but it's decent. It's decent for storage. So, and it's in pretty good shape on the inside. I just got to get it moved. So, I'm going to get this bad boy moved, get it down there, and get stuff put in it. Luckily, I was able to get this. I worked a deal with my neighbor on just kind of straightening up her yard, putting a tire on her car, mowing for a few months, stuff like that, and I ended up working this out of a deal and a little bit of cash, so pretty happy with it. Hope it'll help. I know it's not Fort Knox and you can get in it pretty easy, but you know, if they can't see it, then maybe they won't fuck with it. It's best I can hope. I mean, when you put something in something that is really noisy to open, maybe they won't try to open it. I don't know. It's worth a shot. Really, locks and stuff like that are really not to keep people out of shit. It's really to keep people there longer. That way you have a better chance of catching them, seeing them on a camera, some of that sort. Locks really only to keep an honest person honest at this point. But I'm gonna get to moving this shed. Alright, so we got the shed down here. Damn thing's heavier than I thought. Now all I gotta do is get it offloaded and put right here. So luckily the next door neighbor had a trailer wide enough because I couldn't carry it down. Not bad. So let's get it unloaded. Alright, our shed is in place. Now I just got to do some organizing. Get some stuff in there. Get some stuff hidden. So let's get to work on that. Probably be a little bit of work, but you know what? It'll be worth it by the time it's all said and done. Well, I gotta make this kind of quick because it is raining, but everything is kind of organized as good as I can get it because I have a lot of stuff. Gotta take that trash out. There's a riding mower. This is gonna go in there. This trailer's gonna go up there. Got everything nice and organized in the shop the best I can. I don't have enough room for it to be completely organized, but got some locks and I'm gonna put on and lock her up. So we'll actually close this real quick. I'll take out in here and show y'all the new lighting in the shop and how much room we have now. Check that out. Yeah, buddy. So this winter we're talking about putting a wood burning heater in here and possibly doing the floors in a matting, getting everything sealed up with that spray foam adhesive shit. You know, I mean, I can't go outrageous, but I'd like to get it a little better and then get a door installed here. What I want to do is get a door that flips up, that's all one piece, that's just a frame with sheet metal on it so it's light, and it'll have little arms that come down to keep it stabilized, which that way it'll give me a little more of a overhang when I have it open, so I'd be able to like pull a car up on it if it was raining and work, which is ideal. And then what I want to do is I want to cut out a spot in that frame in a spot for a door, possibly in the middle so it distributes the weight, and then just have a little sheet metal wood frame door, so that way when you want to enter in and out without lifting the whole door, if I have it closed, if it's cold or whatever, we can just go in and out the door. So I'm really trying to better the shop here, hoping that I can here soon, especially before winter time, because I don't want to freeze out here again. It was cold last year. But I'm actually going to put the engine, I was going to put it in that shop, that shed out there, but it's just not enough room. I'm going to move it under to this table here This table's being cleared off. A lot of the shop has been cleared out, and we will have enough room to, you know, actually do something now. So this is how far I've got with the shop so far. It's a little more organized. I just need to get that engine under there and bagged up, and I should be good to go for tonight. I'm actually about to go take me a break. But the lighting and the room and everything, it's a huge difference in here. All I need now is a heater, which I'm probably going to put in this vicinity right here. Pipe it going up. And then I will have heat. And possibly I'll try to seal it off for AC this summer. Maybe put a window unit in the side. I know it's not going to be totally insulated, but I mean it'd be better than nothing. Get a door up, and this won't be too bad of a shop right here. Get some mats down, so I have some clean space to work. Shit, this will be decent. So tell me what you guys think down in the comments. You know, paint this wall up, seal all the cracks, heat, some kind of solid mat flooring. Clean up the walls, get all the cobwebs and the spider webs down, door. Yeah, this will be pretty decent. So, I'm going to take me a break, and then I'm going to move this engine because the tractor won't get in here, and that's really not strong enough to pick that up anyway. It's only built for small engines, and this is just, it's a lot of work. I'm having to move by hand. So I'm going to walk it over there. But I'm going to get me a drink, come back out here and move this engine. Alright. So, I got the engine moved, bagged up. I got another workspace cleared off. So much more lighting. So much more room. Everything's more organized. I'm happy with this. So, I'm going to go ahead and call this video now, because I'd say it's pretty much, I've done what I can with what I've got. And until I get like material for the door, material to build a wood burn heater, and material cut in a spot for the AC and seal this thing up, I'm pretty much at a standstill. Like I said, I also want to get a floor at some point. So, I think it turned out pretty good though. I mean, it's still a dirt floor barn and all that good stuff, but I mean, I'm making do with what I got. It's a lot better than what it was when I got here, and it's improving every day. So hopefully here soon we'll have a pretty decent shop to work out of, and it won't be so dusty and dirty, and it'll be a little bit more better climate controlled. So yeah, excited for that, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed getting my shit together. Go down there and leave me a like, comment down below if you have anything to say or any suggestions or anything of that sort. Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, if you're into those things. Also subscribe if you haven't done so yet, because I'm getting stuff cleaned up and organized to be able to make better content, have a better place to work, hopefully produce some good builds out of this shop. So I'm looking forward to it, and hope you guys are too. So stay tuned, and I will see you guys on the next episode.